So, hello guys, today I'm here with a very interesting car, the new Opel ADAM S. S come from Sport. This is the Sport small car from Opel and it's kind of very beautiful. I like this front headlight. It seems a little bit like Tesla Model 3. I mean only the front with the light, kind of interesting design. I don't know if they take the idea from there, but I like this car very much. I also like these rims, quite beautiful. Here we have LED light on the body and not the light on the mirror like the Opel always do with their cars, but this small car has also blind spot and a lot of new technology on it, and I'm really impressed with this Adam S. Also, you can see the chrome line on the upper side of the car. Very interesting lines. The big doors. Look at how big the doors are. Almost bigger than the front part and the back part. Quite big doors with big entrance. And the interior is also very beautiful. Also, the handle here very simple and nice. Here we have the logo Adam S. Um, that look very nice, and also the lines of the car are quite interesting. Look at this line, how come here until to the handle and then you go back. It's quite interesting. And also we have down here a plastic to protect the paint of the car and to not rust the edge of the car down here. Pretty interesting in the white. Here we have also Continental tires with these beautiful rims. They are really nice, and also the brakes. These are red. Also, we have black glossy on the upper side of the car. You can choose from 8 colors. You can personalize this car the way you want it. Also, this spoiler up here. It is very beautiful, in my opinion. Look fantastic on the car, quite awesome. Also, we go in the back and I show you the car have also back sensors. 6 sensors the car have in the back, quite a lot. And it's look also nice, this back of the car, the way they make these bumpers and the diffuser, air diffuser down there in glossy black. Here we have the reverse light, and on the other side we have the fog light in the back. Quite interesting how they chose to do it. Here we have really beautiful chrome inside this um, tail light, and LED light also on the brake light. It's LED, and you will see a little bit later the light. It is LED also on the back. Look at this, how big is the door when you enter in the car. It's quite huge. Now, these rims I showed you before, it has beautiful 18-inch rims here from Continental, very good quality, and they are really great. Also in the back we have a small window. I will go in the back for you guys and I will show you how space I have. If you are in Switzerland, come here at Belvag, Bern, and you can see the car and all other Opel cars that that you want to test it or buy it, and they also have great discounts. No back camera in the back of the car, so you have anyway a lot of sensors. The doors look fantastic. Also the interior of the car look very nice. You can see there you have um a lot of things. I tried to open the trunk but it's not working. I don't know why. Anyway, I tried to unlock. It doesn't matter. Let's go forward. We have soft material on the door. We have also leather with white stitches here on the door, and also this plastic glossy with the red interior there, speaker, and all the other chrome design there. really simple buttons, plastic, matte, and you also can customize the car and change a few things, a few colors inside the car. Also the Opel at the entrance, these seats, they look fantastic. They are really nice and they have the side, but they are also manually. They are not electric. We have here aluminum pedals as well, and the seat. We have a combination of leather with fabric material. They are very comfortable. I sit on them and they are fantastic even for long roads. And they have also side support when you want to drive a little bit in sport mode. So they are quite nice. There is the trunk. If you can see it from inside, it's really small. You can take something when you go to gym or you where you go to shop and you don't buy so many things. You can also leave down the back seat. That's quite cool, so you can carry more items there in the back. Really interesting, very simple to go in the back. Also two cup holders in the back, three cup holders. I mean the passenger can use it or even the front driver can use it. Now the seats in the back are also leather and nice quality. Also they look very nice and yeah, I guess they are also comfortable. You have also speaker in the back and a place to put your bottle. Um, if you don't have the seat way on the back, you have a little space there. I just want to show you right now. I go in the car to show you how much space we have here. So I put the seat in the same position was before and you can see I almost have just one finger, but my head also two fingers on the head. The visibility it's okay. I have also a space here for a bottle, also down there in the middle. And the visibility it's okay, but I feel like I'm in the cage. I feel like it's all tight up here, but I can still drive in the city without any problem. So not too much complaining for such a small car. Great quality in the interior. The seats are very nice, but I feel really tight. I don't like to drive here in the back. I actually want and I prefer four doors car and not two-door cars. Only maybe if I'm alone forever, I will choose this. And here I just hit my head up there and make me hate more this fucking two doors car. I don't like it. Really, I don't like it. They are really small. But you can see the seat, it's way in the back. So I have still place. I'm not complaining. You can sit without any problem in the back. So don't think that I'm complaining. We have LED light on the back, quite awesome. They look very nice and simple, and they are also economical. In the front also LED light, if you can see it on the upper side of the headlamps, they also look nice in my opinion. Quite interesting and beautiful as well. So as well as you see the exterior, we go inside. I like very much these air vents, the way they design it, the same like on the Audi. I see also on the Porsche as well the design, the chrome, the lines, everything inside this car. It is very beautiful in my opinion. Soft material on the dashboard, the air vents, the lines, the materials, the way they made it, it's quite beautiful. It's looked very nice in the interior. They did a great job. Also this steering wheel, a leather steering wheel, great quality, very beautiful in my opinion. Also buttons here to adjust different settings. uh, we have analogic turometer and speedometer here. They have this have red light, you will see a little bit later, and also They look nice, these vents. Also plastic glossy here, um, in the middle, and also the way they integrate this black glossy plastic with these buttons, with the chrome, with electric steering wheel, electric seats, um, parking sensors, all that stuff. Also this navigation system, a big glow box here, pretty useful. Also e-link from Opel, multimedia system. You can also have a navigation system here on this car. It doesn't. You can check out my other videos with Opel. I did a video and I will do a video with review this multimedia system. You can also connect your phone, your Android or Apple CarPlay, Android Auto Mirror Link, and all that stuff, Bluetooth, so you can listen music. And here is the climatic system, quite simple. We don't have start stop button. You have to start the car with key, USB port, 12-volt port, a lot of space down here to put your stuff. Also 6 gear, um, manual transmission, 150 horsepower. It's quite strong, this small car. Manually handbrake, the space I showed you before. And I guess that's all. Here's some light, no glass holder, a mirror without light up here. The roof, it's kind of simple, nothing complicated, nothing fancy. Speaker on the A pillar, also great visibility and huge windows. On the side you also have 0% leasing if you buy it from Switzerland here at Belvag Opel in Bern. I like the windows, it's huge, and I like that I can stay with my hand on the window outside. It's really cool. The feeling is really great to have so much visibility, because the B pillar it's a little bit behind, and that make the driver have a better visibility and a great position of driving. If you are here in the driver position, and you see this dashboard, if you look on the windows, if you see everything on this car, you don't feel like you are in such a small car. You feel like you are in a sport car, and the feeling from the interior of the car, it's quite awesome. And also the car is very cute, and nice, in my opinion. It also look very nice. I will show you a little bit around the car, and you can comment and tell me what's your opinion. And I'm really accept all kind of feedbacks and ideas about yeah, cars and videos. So that was my review with the new Opel Adam S 2019 model. Please subscribe to my channel, check out my other videos, like, share, and thank you again for watching, and stay safe guys. See you soon.